everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can sign in into the Facebook account of yours. So please watch the video till the very end. So first of all, you open the Facebook application. Now to log in into the Facebook application, you need to provide your phone number or the email address, and below provide the password. Type in your email address, then below type in your password, and once both the detail has been filled in, you tap on login, and with that you will be easily logged in into your account of Facebook. So this is how you can log in into your account of Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe WebToTech YouTube channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.